Ahead, Chrysler charges ahead. And hot dogging it in Poland later in the show. Welcome to 3 Times Square this Tuesday from Reuters World Headquarters in New York. Our power player of the day, helping Chrysler move full speed ahead. It's CEO Sergio Marchionne. Strong sales of the Chrysler 300, Dodge Dart, and Fiat-branded cars powering the company to its best August in 5 years. U.S. sales up 14% overall. The Fiat brand had its best month ever. Maybe they have J-Lo and those ads to thank for that. GM and Ford report sales later today. How much would you pay for smooth skin? Valiant Pharmaceuticals buying Medicis Pharma for $2.6 billion in cash. It gains Botox competitor Dysport and other skincare medications. Valiant CEO says dermatology is the most important business. Smooth sailing for Medicis, shares soaring on the deal. Soup's on at Campbell's, improving soup sales contributing to a better quarterly profit. The company also giving an upbeat full-year outlook. The CEO says retailers are responding favorably to new products, including a Thai green curry skillet sauce. Tasty. While Smithfield is not exactly in hog heaven. Weak retail demand for pork hurting profit, which missed forecasts. Sales also came in below estimates. Checking the shares right now. Campbell's up about 1.5%, and Smithfield is also up just over about 1%. From pork to Swiss, there are certainly holes in it. Let's bring in our Jamie McGeever in London to explain what is troubling Europe today, Jamie.
Well, Lisa, late last night we had the ratings agency Moody's lowering its outlook on the EU to negative from stable, still keeping the AAA rating intact, but not the best news in the world right now. Having said that, though, it's not really surprising either. This brings Moody's down in line with S&P, and as the agency itself said, it was a logical step given that the EU's top 4 paymasters, that's Germany, UK, France and Holland, they're all on negative watch anyway. Now, these 4 contribute around 45% of the EU budget. And as you mentioned there this morning, we had news on Switzerland, the Swiss economy contracting in the second quarter. Of course, Switzerland is not in the EU or the Eurozone, but that's where most of its exports go. The economy contracted 0.1%, not much, but it was far short of 0.2% expansion economists had expected. And this means recession is on the cards. So safe haven currency, perhaps, but not a safe haven economy. And as you might expect, European stocks are trading in the red today between 0.5% and 1%. All eyes, of course, on Thursday and what Super Mario at the ECB will say. Lisa?
All right, watching Super Mario. Thanks so much, Jamie. It's the end of the summer movie season, bringing us to our daily digit $4.3 billion this summer's box office tally. Sounds like a blockbuster figure, yes? Not so much. Sales dropped 2.4% from last summer's record-breaking season, according to Hollywood.com. Last weekend hit a new low. The kids' film The Oogie Loves in the Big Balloon Adventure Feeling No Love, as it earned the title of worst debut ever of a widely released film, taking in under $500,000. And finally, many say this summer went to the dogs, especially in Poland. A few hundred dachshunds took to the streets in Krakow for a competitive parade titled Dachshund the Traveler, with costumes spanning the globe. There was the fierce biker barker, kind of a village people motif, and then I Chihuahua. No, wait, I Dachshund? That's a Mexican-themed dachshund. And then, of course, we get it romantic with a decked-out dachshund gondola driver. This was Krakow's 18th dachshund parade, as they are the city's most popular pooch. That's the latest from 3 Times Square this Tuesday. You can follow us on Twitter at Reuters Insider and check out our Reuters YouTube channel at Reuters.com/ReutersTV. I'm Lisa Bernhard. This is Reuters.